Hello, my name is Julie and I am 11 years old. I live in Denmark and I have 4 brothers and I am brother. I very like animals. Yes, I very much. I like horses. I go to riding. It's yes, that's good. You wanna see some animals? Yes, horses. This is very beautiful. I think that, and I like this one here too. I like very much like this placard. Yes, you know, animal. It's a loss. It's a little pixie. Oh yes, and I have a best friend. It's Julie. This is Julie. You see her, and this is me. That's me, and this is my little brother, William. I like to read very much. This book is very good. If you don't have read it and you is Danish, it's stand on Danish. If you is Danish, you have to read this. If you don't have read it, it's very good book. Very good. Yes. Its name is The Dragon's Kiss, and on Danish it is Dragens Kys. I I don't think meningen at du skulle ramme mig. Det var ikke det. Ej, undskyld mig. Oh shit.
Oh shit, man.
I'm so. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, det skal vi nok.
I'm English.
Yeah, it's my cousin.
English. Come from England.
England. This is my cousin, and she's coming from Denmark. She just wants to have he's coming from England. She's crazy. Ja. Ja, vi skal nok skrue lidt ned. Yes, it's my. Wait a minute. Kan du lige spørge Michael, om du vil lukke døren? Michael, må vi godt lukke døren? Wait a minute. Mor, må vi godt lukke døren? Ja. Tak. Ja. Jo, må jeg godt lukke døren? Jo, men det er fordi, det er stadig larmer. Yes, I'm sorry. I can't, so much. So I say it very still, you know? Good. Oh yes, this one is very good. You know, it's very good. And this one here is very good too. So, kiss me, his name. Oh, mobiles, you know? This is my first mobile. You see it? Hey, yes. This is my number 2 mobile. Yes. It is very good. And this is this mobile I have now. My mobile. Yes. Happy New Year!